This home just outside of Houston, located in Splendora, offers you 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms with over 3,000 square feet of living space, sitting on over an acre lot. If at any point during this tour you would like more information or to schedule a private tour, my information will be on screen. Now let's see what $775,000 gets you here in Splendora, Texas. Now, one thing I absolutely love about this house is that the whole front elevation is just focused on the house itself. You will actually find the 3-car garage off to the side, and you are located in a corner lot, guys, shown here. As we step inside, you're gonna see this large covered porch wrapping around the front entrance with this shiplap ceiling design and recessed lighting all around here. Stepping inside, you're gonna have these wooden glass doors letting you in, where you will be immediately in the living room and kitchen space. But before we get to that, let's go ahead and take a look at your work from home office to the right side of the entrance with these glass French doors and some windows, and you actually have an electrical outlet there at the floor for any devices that may need to be connected. You're gonna find wood tile all throughout this house on all 3,000 square feet of it. One of the main focal points of this house is this amazing living room with this beautiful cathedral ceiling, super open, and in the middle, you have this gas log fireplace. And if we turn around, you're gonna see your gorgeous brown kitchen with this Taj Mahal countertops. This kitchen is about 10 feet long, giving you lots of space here to prep and host any dinners. You're gonna have your section over here where you have a place for your fridge, floor to ceiling cabinets all around. Now, floating shelves on this side as well with a view to your backyard and giving you some natural light. And over here, you actually have underlighting under these cabinets. You're gonna have your stainless steel microwave there, your commercial grade stainless steel gas stove. And you may be wondering where your pantry is. It actually blends in right here. If we push this forward, the lights will automatically turn on. And this will be your pantry with shelving and custom drawers all around. Even some natural light. Take a look at this, guys. These soft close drawers are in your pantry, hidden away. I thought this was extra cabinet space at first. You will have a dedicated garbage cabinet right here next to the microwave for recycling and trash. And over here in these drawers, which are soft closed, you have this beautiful design to store away your utensils on both sides of the stove. At the end of this, you will find the formal dining room shown here. Now on this side, behind the kitchen, is where you're gonna have the primary excluded from all the other rooms. You're gonna have a hallway with a powder room here. Again, Taj Mahal, even on these half baths and secondary bedrooms. Beautiful finishes there. And behind it, you'll find one of the biggest primary rooms I've actually seen, especially for under $1 million bucks. And over here in the corner, you have access to your primary bathroom through these French doors. You're gonna have your first sink here with brass gold finishes. If we turn around, you have her sink with more cabinet space, extra drawers, and a built-in vanity for her to get ready. As I'm sure you guys saw, a walk-through shower here in the middle with a standalone soak-in tub. Take a look at this, guys. You have a regular shower head there and a retractable hand shower. You have some shelving space here for your shampoo and body wash. And to finish it all off, you have your private toilet there. Now, this is where you find your closet, which is very functional, as I'm gonna show you guys. It's this long hallway. You're gonna have cabinet space all around. Take a look at them. Very spacious. You have place to hang your clothes, a way to access those higher shelves, and some shelving here with a mirror already installed. Walking into the laundry / utility room, it has a built-in sink here, washer and dryer connections there, and they actually elevated this to add even more counter space here. Cabinet space all around. And take a look at these, which are very big. Now, last thing on this side is gonna be your mudroom and your 3-car garage. There is your mudroom with a shiplap design at the back. And if you remember, the garage was located off to the side of the property, which we are in now. You actually have a door here able to access your backyard directly through the garage, as you can see here. Now, if we check out the garage, let's take a look at what's up these stairs. What you will find up here is access to your whole attic. Extra space here for any seasonal items, anything you might want to store outside of the house, and access to more attic space there. You actually have some piping there if you want to add a sink here as well. Now let's go ahead and check out the other side of the yard. Here is another door, another way to access the backyard. You can already see a preview of the covered patio there. Now let's go ahead and see. Let's go through the main entrance so you guys can get the full experience. You're gonna have these sliding doors here in the living room. Take a look at the size of this covered patio in the back. Very similar to the front with these pillars and the shiplap design. And here you're gonna have access to your over an acre lot. You can see you have mature trees providing some shade, but not too close to your house where they become an issue. Now let's go ahead and check out the other side of the house. Now here, away from the owner's suite, you will find this hallway which connects all the rest of the bedrooms. Here we have your first one, which will be a Jack and Jill with your closet space here with automatic lights. Another Taj Mahal sink here, connecting into the Jack and Jill, connecting bedroom number 2 and 3. You're gonna have this barn sliding door for your tub shower combo with stone tile all the way up to the ceiling. Your toilet there and extra cabinets. This is gonna be the sink for the other bedroom. And here you have access, a way to go ahead and close it off through this barn sliding door as well. And here we are in bedroom number 3 with views to your front yard and very similar closet space. And here at the end is your 4th and final bedroom. Very similar in size, but what's special about this one is that it is an ensuite. So here we have Taj Mahal countertop again with a little bit of extra counter space here, your toilet, and this walk-through stand-up shower with that same stone and built-in shelving. Super nice for a secondary bedroom. Now here we have the main living space coming out of this side of the house. Really beautiful, and you can take a look at all the space you're getting